In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after publishing. Whether you're looking to tweak some design elements or update content, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Navigate to the Wix homepage where you'll see the login option. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken straight to your Wix dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct login information, as this is essential for accessing your site. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll find a section called My Sites. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the website you wish to edit. If you manage multiple sites, you might have to scroll a bit, but rest assured they are all listed there. After you've found the correct website, look for the button labeled Edit Site. By clicking this, you'll open the Wix editor. This is where the magic happens. The Wix editor is a powerful tool, and even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you'll find it quite user-friendly and intuitive. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to get familiar with its layout. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar. This sidebar is crucial as it contains the key tools you'll use to manage your site's pages and various elements. Spend a little time hovering over these icons. You'll notice that each has a tooltip explaining its function. Whether you're looking to add a new page, adjust your site's menu, change backgrounds, or tweak text, these tools are your gateway. Editing a Wix website after it's published may seem daunting at first, but with time and practice, you'll be navigating the editor like a pro. As you work, remember that any changes you make can be previewed before permanently updating your live site. This handy feature ensures you're satisfied with the changes before your audience sees them. Simply click the preview button at the top right to see your site as your visitors will. Additionally, if you make a change and decide it wasn't the best move, don't worry. The Wix editor also includes an undo feature, allowing you to easily revert any step. Learning to harness these capabilities is a significant part of the editing process, saving you both time and stress. That's it for today's guide on how to edit a Wix website after publishing. With these steps, you'll confidently update your site to keep it fresh and relevant. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, make sure to check out other videos that dive deeper into more advanced features of Wix. Thank you for watching, and happy